Good morning, welcome to Mother on Shift. I'm Leslie, and this morning we're going to be doing a roll out of bed workout. So it's a very gentle workout to ease into this mindset of literally rolling out of bed to do a workout. So all you need is your water, and let's get started. We're going to start by doing a warm-up. So head down, and if you want, we can actually start this in a seated position. You can sit cross-legged. Good, so half circles, and half circles going back. Now full circles, one direction. And switch. Shoulders rolling back. And forward. Elbows. Switching directions. Good, now bring your arms up as you inhale and lower, exhale. Paying attention to the tension on your shoulder, making sure that you create that nice space between your neck and your ears. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale. Setting our intention for the day. I am connecting my mind with my body. Okay, we're going to bring our arms up to the side, gentle stretch. Inhale and exhale, reach over to the other side. Picking up the pace a little bit, inhale, reach over. And exhale, reach over. From here, we're going to bring our knees in front of you, and you're going to open it up as you turn your body to the right side. Okay? So we're going to do, and you're going to try to get your leg to be in a 90 degree, in front and in back. Okay, so from here, we're gonna turn to the other side. So this is a 90-90 hip mobility drill. And if it's not available yet, maybe it's so early in the morning, you can lean back slightly and try to do it. There's always a way to scale it back and find a variation that works for you. So you can lean back with your hands back, or if you have the mobility, sit up. Just a couple of hip openers. We're going to turn to one side. Again, 90-90. Reach forward, inhale. 90-90, reach forward. One more time. Reach forward. Lean over. And lean over. Good morning, Obi. What the heck are you doing here? Hi. Go back up. You're tired. Are you gonna do the workout here too? Okay, you can. Oh, you better not keep you pets. I love you too. I know, you're a sweet boy. So sometimes this happens. You're greeted by your furry best friend. Okay? I love you. Okay. No. I'm doing my workout. Go lay down. Go lay down. Over there. Bye. So I guess that's my workout for the day. Pet the dog. Pet the dog. Okay, up, come on, I gotta do this. I gotta do this, I know. I know, I love you. I love you so much. But I gotta do this, come on. Obi, go up. Or go lay down. Go lay down right here. Okay, right there is fine too. Okay. Oh, he threw me off my rhythm. So after the 90-90 stretch, we're gonna do some hip circles. Circles with our knee. Yeah. Good. We're gonna do some goddess pose. So heel toe, your feet out. Obi, go lay down, come on. Go lay down. And cactus arms, down and up. 2. Lift up into your full goddess. Hi, bud. Okay. Good. Come from here, come up. Okay, Obi, come on. Go upstairs. Okay, sorry about that. So we're just gonna do 2 exercises today. We're gonna do a stationary lunge, and from there, we're gonna go into a bridge with knee touches, okay? So for the lunge, I'm gonna show the side profile. We're gonna step forward, big step, and again, creating that 90 and 90 degree, okay? Just like that. We'll do 5 on each leg, okay? And then from there, we're gonna go into our glute bridge. So what you can do is, if you want, have your hands right on your butt, supporting your tailbone, or you can just have your hands by your side. And I like to just roll my shoulders back and down, okay? So you can have it under your bum or on your side. From here, lift up and hold. Squeezing your butt, hold. We're gonna hold for 10 seconds, after which we're gonna tap our toes. Just walking in, marching in the spot. Okay, so that's our set for today. So let's begin. Okay, you can have your hands by your side or arms out. If you want your arms out, extended, that's a little bit more of a challenge because it will tire out your shoulder a little bit. Okay, so stepping forward, big step forward, maintain the straight spine. 3, 4, 5. Shift your body weight back and step back. Step forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Shift your weight back and step back. Here, bridges. Roll your shoulders back and down. Lift up, hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, roll up if you can, or lean your body to the side and come up. Arms out, stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shift your weight back and step back and forward. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bridges, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squeeze your glutes, 9 and 10, and taps, 2, 3, 4, making sure that you don't zag your hips, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, lower your spine, 1 vertebrae at a time. Again, you can roll to the side and come up. Okay, finishing strong for 2 more sets. Arms up by your side. If you want, think about that scapula activation. So squeezing your shoulder blades together, stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Yes, we're bringing it up to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Lower down. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Lift your hips up. 5, 4, 3. Squeeze. 2, 1, and tap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Roll your spine down, roll up. Last set, arms out. And 1, 2. Pretend you're pushing 2 walls away from you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last bit of it. Hold, hold, hold. Nice and strong. Squeeze your glutes. And 3, 2, 1, moving into taps. Or you can think of marching in spot. Okay, keep your hips up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Roll your vertebrae. Roll your spine 1 vertebrae at a time. Think of laying the string of pearls down. Good. Tailbone is elastic out down. Good. Stretch up. Inhale. And exhale. We're going to do one last exercise, which is the finisher. And then after this, we'll do a quick stretch. So we're almost done. So from here, we're going to go into our plank position. Okay, with elbows right under your shoulders. And we're going to drop down on our knees. And we're going to go up back to plank. And we're going to drop down on our knees. Make sure you turn your toes in. Toes are nice and tucked. Good. Nice and leveled. Think about being parallel to the floor. Good. Bring your knees down. Lift up. And bring your knees down. Lift up. Bring your knees down. Good. Lift up. Bring your knees down. Lift up. Bring your knees down. 5 more. Knees down. Up. Knees down. 3. Knees down. 4. Knees down. And last one, 5. And knees down. Good. Bring your body flat to the floor. Hands by your side. Inhale and exhale. Roll up. Pushing your shoulders away from your ears. And that's it. We're going to do a quick cool down. So these super quick supersets are all about building habits. Habits are so important. Building these micro habits, yes, they may be short workouts, but they are full body functional exercises. A lot of them are mobility workouts. And this allows you to just half the time, make time for yourself. Even if you have to schedule it in, sometimes you might just have to book an appointment with yourself and put it in your phone. Set a reminder. Okay, from here, we're gonna lift into a child's pose. Good, inhale and exhale. Option to stack your fists or go like this. But I like to just sit back as far as I can. Gonna roll it up, cat-cow. And again, it's building these habits. They're short. You can literally roll out of bed and do them because they're relatively low impact. Or if you want, you can use them as your warm-up if you're doing a heavy lift day, or if you're lifting that day, or running, or whatever other activities you're doing. Good, so cat, arch, and cow, round it out. Okay, we're gonna hold it here. Turn your toes into a downward dog. We're gonna walk our dog. Good, and you're gonna walk your hands to your feet. Good, and just hug your elbows, soft bend in the knees, and just gently sway back and forth. Thank yourself for making the time to do it. Consistency is key. And we start with short workouts. And from there, we can build into longer workouts and we can do more stuff. Or you can just keep it nice and short too if that's all the time you have. Again, it's just little habits. You're gonna roll your spine up. Little habits to get your body moving, to get your blood flowing. And think of it for longevity, arms up. Instead of just working out with no purpose or looking out for aesthetics. This is for longevity. This is to build your energy up. And if you like this, give it a like and subscribe and follow along the journey and see the transformation. Thanks and have an awesome day.